Hey, you're gonna print the rest of me, right? Hey, guys, I'm still here. Hello everyone, I'm Miriam Taylor and welcome back to CTAC Studios. Cooper Lighting is transforming the lighting industry with their new award-winning 3D printed pendants from Shaper. Introducing PrentaLux, meaning printed light. So let's think about how this actually works. Say you want 30 light fixtures. Traditionally, this takes a lot of time with all those parts and pieces to assemble. 3D printers save time in manufacturing, allowing less inventory on hand. And best of all, provide shorter lead times in production and design. On top of it all, PrentaLux is compliant with the Buy American Act. So it's a win-win for everyone. And since we're on that topic of sustainability, by printing and shipping domestically, Shaper is effectively cutting out overseas shipping to reduce carbon emissions and accelerate lead time. Hey, come here. I want to tell you something. 3D printers produce 76% lower carbon emissions than the conventional manufacturing methods. 3D printing allows for a ton of fun options for texture and color. So let's break it down, shall we? The 200 series gives us 4 shapes to choose from. The 205, the 215, the 225, and the 235. Once you select your shape, it's time to choose from 3 outer shape textures: layered fine, vertical fine, or natural lines. Next, you get to choose your interior shade. You could do a smooth interior, floral interior, or baffle interior. Wow. There's a lot of options here. And guess what? You get to choose from the 16 opaque colors for the outer shade, including 7 metallic options and 8 matte options. And for the interior, choose from high reflective white or 3 premium options, including black or metallic gold or silver. Lastly, you can choose from 2 standard canopy styles, disc or conical. Choose from these 3 standard finish options or go custom for a finish to match your exterior shade. And we recently found out the 200 series with PrentaLux not only has the Declare label, but it's also now Red List approved. Next is the PrentaLux 300s, ideal for hospitality with their elegant shapes and material options. Let's check them out. So the first thing to note with the 300 series is that it uses a screw-based lamp. Choose from a 2700K filament or a 3000K frosted LED lamp, both available either in an A19 or E26 base. So let's see what shapes are available with the 300 series. The 301, the 303, the 305, and last, the 307. Unlike the 200 series, the 300 series only comes in a layered fine texture, but you have the option for an opaque shade like the 200 series or this incredible translucent material. This translucent outer shade comes in either clear or smoky gray. This unique translucent material looks gorgeous whether the pendant is on or off. Next, let's talk about the finial. If you've chosen an opaque shade, choose for it to either be the same color as the outer shade or customize it to add that personal touch. For the translucent shades, the top finial will be white for the clear shade and black for the smoky gray shade. But wait, your options aren't quite over yet. Just like the 200 series, choose from 2 canopy shapes and 3 standard colors. And lastly, for that 300 series, you have the option to choose a black power cord with a black socket or a white power cord with a white socket. The possibilities are endless. There's so much customization that can be done. Think about a stamped company logo. Now it's a personal product every time. So take advantage of the opportunity to get a customized lighting solution while contributing to a sustainable future. And be sure to contact your local rep for additional information. Bye, everyone.
Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.